In today's video, we are going to look at ways the rich make money. My name is Unwana Udoh. Every week, I share great content on how to improve your personal finance and grow your wealth. Make sure to watch to the end to find out the 7 ways the rich make money. You don't want to miss this. What do the rich know about making money that others don't? The rich never work for money but rather, make money work for them. There are basically 2 ways to make money. Number 1. You trade time for money, as in, you work 40 hours a week and at the end of the week, you get paid. Number 2. Investing your money and in return have your money work for you. A vast majority of the population relies on method number 1, which in the short term is okay, however, in the long term is a failing proposition. Why then do most people spend their adult lives using method number 1? It all comes down to a lack of financial education and discipline. The rich spend a great deal of their time exploring avenues of generating income without having to physically work. Getting a paycheck is like a drug and for most people, is the only source of income. We all have 24 hours in a day and it's all up to us how we use them. Don't get me wrong, I am not here trying to criticize anyone that has a job or only gets income from a job. Heck, I still have a job. The key is using the income from your job to create additional streams of income. While everyone spends their hard-earned money on liabilities, the rich on the other hand spend their money on acquiring income-producing assets. Here are some ways the rich make money. Number 1. Invest in businesses. Number 2. Invest in income-producing real estate. Number 3. Invest in the stock market. Number 4. Invest in themselves. Number 5. Invest in commodities. Number 6. Invest in precious metals. Number 7. Invest in antiques. These are some of the ways in which the rich make money. The rich are obsessed with creating passive income, while the rest of us spend every last penny we make on material consumption. If you ever want to be financially independent, then you must do what the rich and wealthy people do. If you found value so far, hit the like button and subscribe so YouTube will notify you of my latest video. A big thank you to all my subscribers, you give me the inspiration to create more content. If you need more information on how to use credit to create wealth, check the description below on how you can get copies of my ebooks on credit and wealth creation. The next video on the screen contains information you will love. Click to watch that video and I will see you there.